In this video, we're going to walk you through how to create an insurance invoice inside of your Omega. To start, you'll want to start a new job. This sale information will fill itself in as you build the job, so you don't need to select the users there. You can start at location if you have more than one brick and mortar or mobile location. Campaign is a marketing tool. How did your customer hear about you? Track of that. But normally you're going to start here at billing and pricing, and that is who's paying for the job. So in this case, it would be the name of the insurance company. If you click in this field and just start typing the name of the account, it will pop up. Select it from the list, and you'll notice the pricing should autofill according to the account that's selected. If we look into the account, the pricing is determined based on the default pricing profile that's assigned to the account. So that's why that autofilled. Agent referred by is if there's a sales rep or insurance agent that sent you this work. And then the rest of the information is just manually filling it out. It's all pretty straightforward. The only required fields are going to be the first name and the phone number. Insurance information. This is where you'll go to plug in the Safelite referral that you received, the referral number. Or if this were links, it would be the links dispatch number. Date of loss is when the damage occurred. And then the deductible if the customer has one or not. You can schedule the appointment if you know you're going to do the work now, or you can schedule that later. You would click the plus icon. But now all you need to do is add the vehicle and the line items that insurance will pay you for. To do that, normally you skip the vehicle information. Rather than typing it out manually, you can go right to the NAGS lookup button. From here, you can search a plate number, which will autofill the VIN, or you can search a VIN number, which will do a VIN to part match, or you can search the year, make, and model. Once you do that, it'll populate the line items that fit that opening, or the glass parts that fit that opening, and when you select the glass part, it will add the line items to your invoice. We add the windshield, the labor, the glue, and in this scenario, the rain sensor pad, because insurance will pay for that. These other items are just accessories. If you click on that, it'll actually populate a schematic. If you click on a windshield that requires calibration, it will have the ADAS bubble next to it. When you click on it, it will add the right type of recalibration to your invoice as well. So all you do is click Add to Invoice, and we should add it at the rates that Progressive in this scenario will pay for that job. So we've got the discount off the list, the labor hours per, or labor rate per labor hour, calibration, adhesive per tube, and then the rain sensor pad at list. If you need to adjust these according to the referral document that you just got, you can adjust these fields manually. And then after the fact, you would want to update their pricing profile so their rates are up to date. Now all you need to do is save the job, and you've got an insurance job. To check your vendors, you can click Order. If you keep glass on hand, we will show you if you have it available or not at your shop or your warehouse. Otherwise, it will show you all of your glass vendors and their pricing and availability. Pilkington has this. This is what you would buy the glass for. And this is the next run date that it'll come on. So you can compare all your vendors. At this point, you could schedule it if you wanted to. Create an appointment. You'll see your schedule for the week. Click on the calendar and see calendar view. Change the job type or the appointment type in shop, mobile. And if it's mobile, you'll just ask the customer where the service is going to happen. And you can leave instructions for your technician. Now all I have to do is save it, and that is on my schedule for that day.